Hello everyone. Today I will not explain any sum on board. Today I want to give you some useful tips so that you can score 90 plus in class 10th board exam, maybe 99, maybe 98, whatever percent you want to. You have to plan it. It is a time for all class 10 CBSE students to move towards their goals by scoring more in their upcoming board exam. It is common that students get nervous as the exam is nearing. Classes are crucial stages as students help into new phase of their education. Do you know about 10th board exam? The class 10th board conducted by CBSE is an all India level exam. It is considered to be the biggest exam in your life. For the secure, obtaining it decides as which stream one has to choose for making a bright career. As the date of class 10th board exam are getting closer, anxiety, anticipation among students may be frightening them and giving them jitters. So don't afraid. If you prepare well, so you can get good marks. Here I am giving you 5 important tips you follow. First important tip is make a timetable. The very first thing you must focus on while preparing for class 10th board exam is time management. And the best way to manage your time is to create a good timetable. Time is very precious, especially when you have a less time in your lab. So try to make the best use of it and don't waste it and concentrate in your study with your timetable. Study smaller parts of syllabus every day instead of taking on large chunks of information of maths, physics, all other subjects. Do check your timetable every morning, set your goals for the day, and at the end of day, check whether you have been successful in meeting your goals or not. So timetable management, okay, this is important. Now, second, choose a suitable environment. Do you have a habit of checking social networks like WhatsApp, Instagram in between your study? Almost everyone has it. To prepare effectively, you need to identify a quiet corner of your home which must be free from all noises and distractions. Ensure that you are away from electronic gadgets like mobile phones, computer, etc. We all know that how addictive and time consuming such things can be. So try to avoid such things at least for next couple months until your class 10th board exam are finished. Now third important thing, learn and write. Reading the chapter and making brief notes of important topics will help you prepare effectively and boost your learning capabilities. Okay, and fourth, list out your queries or doubts and take guidance from your teachers. During solving problem, you might get a lot of doubts. List them separately and ask for teacher from them. And fifth, practice from CBSE sample papers. It is very important. One of most effective ways to prepare for class 10th board exam to practice on previous year papers and CBSE sample papers. This help you to get familiar with the format of question and brushing up on your knowledge and overcome your fear of class 10th board exam. You solve it and practice it. And let quickly I tell you about subjects, science, English, these important things, how to practice. In science, practice drawing near and well labeled diagrams. Like in English, read the chapter in detail and try to summarize every chapter in your own word. And for grammar, you need to constantly practice. And for math, memorize important formula and go through theorems every day and solve problems based on this. Keep your practice constant, and more you practice, the more you become confident. For social studies, read the course once without trying to remember it and note down the points which you feel are important, and master of art of writing, perfect answer. In Hindi, read the chapter in detail, try to summarize every chapter in your words, and grammar practice. Okay, if you follow these tips, so you can get secure good marks. And following some points I want to tell you when you are attempting the 10th board paper. First, read the question paper well. Second, use the first 15 minutes effectively. And third, don't worry about the tough ones. Prioritize your attempt, ensure speed and accuracy, keep an eye on watch, avoid thinking too much about question, revise your answer. All the best and happy learning. And see, you have watched this video, and you can follow me in Instagram, YouTube, and now my website digitalascore.com. Hope you have understood.